Good morning, children. How are you today? I hope you are doing good at your home. So, let's see first day and date. Today is Thursday and the date is 22nd of July 2021. So, what is the spelling of Thursday, children? It is THURSDAY. Thursday. What is the day today? Today is Thursday. So today we are going to do one practice worksheet जो हमने किया है. हम पहले उसको रिवाइज करेंगे हमें अच्छे से वो आ गया है या नहीं. Right, children? So before doing practice worksheet, let's do quick revision of what we had done in our notebook, that is A to F. So let's do revision. This is capital A, children. This is small a. A is for arrow. A is for apple. A is for ant. A. And what is the phonic sound of A? A. Arrow. Apple. Ant. This is capital B, children. This is small b. B is for butterfly. And what is the phonic sound of B? B. Butterfly. B. B. Ball. C. Capital C and small c. And C is for car. C. C. Cat. C. C. Cat. C. C. Cake. C. C. Cup. C. C. Candle. And C is for corn also. D. This is letter D, children. Capital D, small d. And D is for duck. Duck. What is the phonic sound of D? It's duck. 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 Drum. Duck. Duck. Dolphin. E. Capital E, small e. E is for elephant. Phonic sound is a. Elephant. E is for egg. Egg. E is for engine. Engine. And E is for eagle. This is capital F and small f. Mama F, baby F. And phonic sound is f. Fish. Frog. Phonic sound is frog. Fish. F is for flowers. Now, children, let's do our practice worksheet. Right, children? So, you have two questions in this practice worksheet. First one is write capital A, small a to capital F and small f. That means ममा ए और बेबी ए से लेके आपने ममा एफ और बेबी एफ तक लिखना है. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो एंड व्हाट इज योर सेकंड क्वेश्चन, चिल्ड्रन? इट इज मैच द कैपिटल लेटर्स टू स्मॉल लेटर्स. नाउ फर्स्ट विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, दैट इज राइट ए टू एफ. सो जल्दी जल्दी लिखेंगे बिकॉज दिस इज योर प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट. ये मैम आपका टेस्ट ले रही हैं कि आपको यहाँ तक आ गया है लिखना या नहीं. सो make first capital A. So this is mama A. This is small a, children. Yes. What comes after A? B. B. This is small b. And what comes after B? C. This is capital C, children. And this is small c. And what is the phonic sound of C? K. D. D. Capital D. And this is small d. D. And what comes after D, children? E. E. A. Capital E. And this is small e. Small e. And what comes after E, children? F. Phonic sound is F. This is Mama F and this is baby F, small f. And now let's do our question number 2, that is match the capital letters to small letters. So here are the capital letters and here are the small letters. You have to match capital with the small. Mama letters को baby letters के साथ match करना है. So first let's see what are the capital letters. D, E, F, A. And here small e, small f, small d, small a. Now join capital D with small d. So make a slanting line and join D with the D. Capital E with small e. Capital F with small f. So these are slanting lines. Now this is capital A, children, and this is small a. So make a sleeping line and join capital A with small a. So do your worksheet neat and clean, children, and do orals also and send your video to ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day, children. Bye-bye.